frothy conker. No, frothy canker. So you've really got to be careful how you say that. Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft. It's day 16 of lockdown, and you can see in the background we've got the full team out today. Even the boys out today. So yeah, we're out again for our daily exercise and to set the camera, of course. Last night the rat was intruding again. It was there again, up on the coming out from the stream, up onto the other side of the bank. So I'm going to put the camera somewhere completely different tonight. Right, we looked at this last night and I said it was slime mould, which it possibly is, but I've been looking into it and there are other names for it, which is white flux, and another name, and you've really got to be careful how you say this, is frothy conker. No, frothy canker. So you've really got to be careful how you say that. You can see from when I prodded it last night, it's now got a bit of a harder skin on it now. It's not quite as frothy as it was before. But yeah, funny one that. So I've had somebody asking again recently if I'm going to be doing a video on the Vixen HC100 wildlife camera, the one I've been using in all the previous videos. The answer to that is yes, I am. I'm literally in the process of putting that together, and it's probably just a couple of days away now before I'll be uploading that one, so look out for that. Right, so the bait's been laid, the camera's been set, and fingers are crossed. So we'll see what we get in the morning. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, or you can hit the one down there. Leave us a comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video.